Okay, we're continuing through this final, getting right through it. You know, we've gone through several pages of it, many pages, but anyways. So, first, inequalities and absolute value. But we want to get the x's on one side, numbers on the other. But let's simplify. This would be minus 4x. Plus 6 plus 2 is plus 8. So I'm going to subtract 8. Then I'm going to divide by negative 4. But whenever you divide by negative, you switch the inequality. Now, it didn't say graph, so we don't have to. When you have fractions, you could multiply everything by the LCD, which in this case is 18. So we would have 9x plus 1/6 of 18 is 3. 1/9 of 18 is 2. 6 goes in 18. 3 times 5 is 50. This would be 9x plus 5 is greater than 15. Subtract 5. Divide by 9. Now, to solve for absolute values, you want to get the absolute value by itself. So you add 6 to both sides. Divide both sides by the number in front. So I have the absolute value of x equals 8. So now I just break it up. X equals 8, or the opposite of x equals 8. So x equals negative 8. So those are my two answers. Now, when you have a proportion, do you remember how to solve it? You cross multiply. So 4x times 10 is 40x. 5 times 6 is 30. Divide by 40. X equals 3/4. This times this would be 6x plus 6. This times this would be 4x minus 8. Subtract 4x. Subtract 6. Divide by 2. X equals negative 7. Here, 3 and 3 is 9. 4x minus 8. So I would add 8 to both sides. Divide by 4. No, it's okay with me if you leave it in proper fraction form. That's okay. Now, do you remember how to do percents? It's the percent. This says 6 is what percent of 8? So it's the percent I don't know over 100 equals the is over the of. So I'd have 8x equals 600. So divide both sides by 8. Now you're going to be able to use calculators. So go ahead and use a calculator. That reduces to 300 over 4. So that'd be 75%. So this 40% equals the is number 60 over the of number. So it'd be 40x equals 6,000. Divide by 40. So the zeros cancel out. 600 divided by 4 would be 300 divided by 2. So that would be 150%. 150. Not 150%. 150. Sorry, 150. I said 150. I know I said that. But I didn't mean to say it. So what is 120% of 20? So it'd be 120 over 100 equals x over 20. So it'd be 100x equals 20 times 120 would be 24 divide by 100. So it'd be 24. Woohoo! Does that sound familiar? I don't know. But anyways, we're moving right along.